Ever wondered which banks are compatible with Expensify? It's a crucial question, especially when you're juggling business expenses and need a seamless solution. Let's dive in and uncover the answer. Expensify, a popular expense management tool, simplifies the process of tracking, submitting, and getting reimbursed for business expenses. It integrates with various financial institutions to streamline the process further. Now, the big question, which banks work with Expensify? The good news is that Expensify is compatible with a wide range of banks worldwide. However, the specific banks supported can vary depending on your location and the type of account you have. Here's a general overview of the types of banks that typically work with Expensify. Traditional banks, many major banks, both domestic and international, are compatible with Expensify. This includes banks like Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, and Wells Fargo. Credit unions, a significant number of credit unions also integrate with Expensify, providing a convenient solution for businesses of all sizes. Online banks, modern online banks like Chime, Revolut, and Wise often have integrations with Expensify, offering a seamless experience for digital-savvy users. How to check compatibility? While Expensify has a broad range of bank integrations, it's always best to verify compatibility before signing up. Here are a few ways to check. Expensify's website. Visit Expensify's official website and look for their list of supported banks. This list is regularly updated, so you can find the most current information. Expensify's support team. If you can't find your bank on the list, reach out to Expensify's support team. They can provide specific guidance and help you troubleshoot any issues. Direct bank inquiry. Contact your bank's customer service to inquire about their integration with Expensify. They can provide accurate information and assist you with the setup process. Why bank integration matters. Integrating your bank account with Expensify offers several benefits. Automated expense import. Automatically import transactions directly from your bank account, saving you time and effort. Faster reimbursements. Expedite the reimbursement process by streamlining the approval and payment workflows. Enhanced accuracy. Reduce errors and inconsistencies by eliminating manual data entry. Improved financial control. Gain better visibility into your spending habits and track expenses more effectively. Expensify's compatibility with a wide range of banks makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. By understanding the types of banks that work with Expensify and following the steps to check compatibility, you can optimize your expense management process and save time and money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.